How to create simple gold text in Photoshop. This is really simple to do in Photoshop. So let's dive right into the video. First, open Photoshop and create your text. Use the type tool by pressing T on your keyboard. Click on the canvas and type the text you want to work with. Once you've entered your text, resize it to your liking and position it wherever you want. For this tutorial, I will center the text, but feel free to place it as you prefer. Next, let's add a gradient overlay effect. Double click on the text layer to open the layer style window. Select gradient overlay from the options on the left and the gradient editor. Choose two colors that resemble gold. Typically, a combination of yellows, oranges or brown works well. Experiment with different shades until you find a combination that gives the text a rich, metallic, gold look. Now, to add depth to your gold text, apply the inner shadow effect. Make sure to change the blend mode to overlay and set the color to white. Increase opacity to 100% and then adjust the size to about 120 and the distance to around 230. This will give the text a subtle 3D effect. To make the gold effect pop even more, add bevel and emboss. Set the technique to chisel hard to create sharp edges and adjust depth to about 428. This will give your text a solid dimensional look. Set the size to around 24 for balance. Finally, let's adjust the lining and the bevel and emboss settings. Change the highlight mode to overlay and set the opacity for both the highlight and shadow to 100%. For the shadow mode, pick a darker gold color to enhance the metallic view of the text. Play around with the shadow color until you achieve the desired effect. Once you are happy with everything, take a moment to fine-tune the colors or any of the effects settings to get a perfect gold look for your text. And here we go. Now you have created a simple gold text in Photoshop. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.